students, welcome back to Study Maths, and in this meeting we are going to continue our previous lesson. Alright, in this session, Miss Mariana is going to share about the tips how to do multiplication by tens, hundreds or thousands. I'm sure that you are capable in doing the multiplication, but here we just share how to do the easy tips in multiplying by tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, let's check out the example. Here I have some questions. So if you see this kind of question, you don't need to multiply those things manually or vertically or horizontally. The tips that we are going to share is, if you find a number like this, you just need to multiply the non-zero number, like in this question, 23 multiplied by 1. 23 times 1 equal 23. Since this multiplication, we have 1 0, so we can keep the 0 first and then place at the ones later on. Alright, now we see the second example. Still the same, 23 times 1 equal 23. Since this multiplication, we can see that there are 2 zeros, so we can place the 2 zeros at the end. Next, 23 times 1 equals 23, and then since we see that there are 3 zeros, so we can put the zeros at the back. Alright, this is the first example. Now I will go to the next example. How if we have this multiplication? Alright, still with the same working. 14 times 3 equal 42. Since we have 1 0, so we can take 1 0 and then put at the back. Next, we multiply again. 14 times 3. 14 times 3 equal 42. And then since we have 2 zeros, so we can place 2 zeros. Next, 14 times 3. We have 14 times 3 equal 42. And then since we have 3 zeros, so we can place 3 zeros here. So let's see next. This is the last example. How if we have this kind of multiplication? 13 times 3, we multiply the non-zero number. 13 times 3 equal 39. And then we have 1 0 here. We have 1 0 here. 1 0 plus 1 0 equal 2 zeros. So we can place 2 zeros at the back. And next, we multiply again. 13 times 3 equal 39. We have 1 0 here. We have 2 zeros here. So 1 zeros plus 2 zeros equal 3 zeros. So we can place 3 zeros here. And for the next one, 13 times 3, we have 2 zeros here plus 3 zeros equal 5 zeros. We will place 5 zeros here. Alright, that's our my explanation about how to do multiplication. Now is the time for us to do our workbook. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.